Hi, I'm Richard. I've got my building here. It's a 30 by 40 from Eversafe. I use it for storage, my tractors, lawn equipment. Really happy with it. Everything works really great. I have a lot of different things that I do, so it becomes a very handy place to work. The people that came in and put it together was fantastic. Didn't leave a mess. They put it up in a day and a half, and everything functions perfect. And the process of ordering the building was fantastic. The salesperson will help you every step of the way on the design of the building, the size of the building, where you want your doors, where do you want your man door, how many doors you want. It's all up to you. They'll send you a drawing and let you approve it before they even charge you a dime. So it's a simple process. These garage doors are 10 by 10. They're easy to open, close, very simple. You take one hand, goes right up, one hand down, lock them, walk away. There's no issues. I've had this building now for over a year, and I've had no problems with it at all. I would recommend an Eversafe building to anybody that needs a building.